Protocols and guidelines for fire operation system functions. The fire operation system is a critical component of any building's safety infrastructure. It serves to detect, alert, and respond to potential fire emergencies, ensuring the protection of lives and property. Understanding the key functions of this system is essential for effective fire safety management. Importance of standardized protocols and guidelines. 1. Consistency in emergency response. Standardized protocols ensure all fire personnel respond to incidents in a coordinated and predictable manner, improving efficiency and safety. 2. Reliable equipment operation. Guidelines for equipment and testing guarantee firefighting tools function reliably when needed, preventing equipment failure during critical moments. 3. Effective communication. Established procedures for emergency communication and coordination enable seamless information sharing, facilitating collaborative decision-making during high-stress situations. Scope of fire operation system functions. 1. Incident response. The fire operation system coordinates the dispatch of firefighters, emergency medical teams, and other first responders to quickly address fire, medical, and other emergency situations. 2. Equipment maintenance. The system oversees the regular inspection, testing, and upkeep of all fire suppression and emergency response equipment to ensure readiness at all times. 3. Training and certification. The system manages the training and certification programs for firefighters, dispatchers, and other personnel to maintain high levels of preparedness and key components of fire operations system. A comprehensive fire operations system comprises several critical components that work together to ensure effective emergency response and incident management. These include dispatch centers, fire trucks, firefighting equipment, communication systems, and incident command structures. Proper maintenance, testing, and standardized protocols for these key elements are crucial to the system's overall reliability and performance during fire emergencies. Protocols for incident response and dispatch. 1. Incident detection. Rapid identification of fire, smoke, or other emergencies through alarm systems and monitoring. 2. Dispatch procedures. Clear communication protocols to mobilize the appropriate fire response teams. 3. Prioritization. Triage and escalation based on the severity and potential impact of the incident. The fire operation system must have well-defined protocols for incident response and dispatch. This includes fast and reliable detection of emergencies, efficient communication to dispatch the right teams, and prioritization to the most critical situations are addressed first. Detailed procedures help ensure a coordinated, effective, and timely fire safety response. Guidelines for equipment maintenance and testing. 1. Preventative maintenance. Establish a comprehensive preventative maintenance program to ensure all fire system equipment is properly serviced and operational at all times. 2. Routine inspections. Conduct regular visual inspections of fire pumps, standpipes, sprinklers, and other critical components to identify and address any issues. 3. Testing protocols. Implement standardized testing procedures for each piece of equipment to verify proper functioning as per manufacturer recommendations and fire codes. 4. Documentation and record. Maintain detailed logs of all maintenance activities, testing results, and corrective actions taken to demonstrate compliance. Procedures for emergency communication and coordination. 1. Incident command. Establish a clear incident command structure to coordinate emergency response efforts and facilitate effective communication between teams on the ground. 2. Interoperable communication. Ensure all responders have access to communication devices and protocols to exchange critical information in real time during an emergency. 3. Unified reporting. Implement standardized reporting procedures to provide a centralized, up-to-date view of the incident status and resource availability to all stakeholders. Training and certification requirements. 1. Comprehensive training. Ensure all personnel involved in fire operation systems receive extensive training on equipment operation, emergency protocols, and safety procedures. Implement both classroom-based instruction and hands-on practical exercises. Certification programs. Establish certification requirements for fire operation system operators, technicians, and supervisors. Align with industry standards and regulatory bodies to ensure competency and compliance. 3. Continuing education. Require regular continuing education recertification to keep personnel up to date on the latest technologies, best practices, and changes in regulations. 4. Specialized roles. Identify specialized roles, such as system designers, installers, and inspectors, and ensure they receive appropriate training and certification to carry out their duties effectively. Compliance and regulatory considerations. 1. Regulatory compliance. Ensure the fire operation system adheres to all relevant local, state, and national fire codes and regulations. 2. Documentation. Maintain comprehensive documentation on system design, installation, maintenance, and testing to demonstrate compliance. 3. Regular inspections. Schedule periodic inspections by certified fire safety professionals to validate system performance and identify any issue. Continuous improvement and updating protocols. 1. Review. Regularly assess the effectiveness of protocols. 2. Update. Implement improvements and adjust policies. 3. Train. Educate staff on new protocols and procedures. 4. Monitor. Continuously track performance and compliance. Maintaining the highest standards in fire operation systems requires a commitment to continuous improvement. This involves regularly reviewing protocols, implementing updates based on feedback and industry best practices, training personnel on new procedures, and monitoring performance to ensure compliance and effectiveness. By adopting this cyclical process, organizations can adapt to evolving needs and stay ahead of potential challenges. With my best regards, Dr. Sam Tawfiq. With my best regards, Dr. Sam Tawfiq.